What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about cooking. No, absolutely not. No. We are not talking about that kind of cooking. Because guys,
I'm not a good cook.
But we're talking about a down-to-earth luxury skincare company that focuses on efficiency, organic, and natural ingredients. Ecooking. And Ecooking is a Danish skincare company. Guys, that is rare in the skincare community. I don't think I've ever came across another skincare brand from Danish people. Danish? What? You know, give me a second. I need to find out where the Danish come from. How embarrassing. I'm going to include that in this video just to show you guys and humiliate myself. Guys,
Geography is not my thing.
Ecooking is a natural and organic skincare company that is now a part of the luxury skincare community. And guys, I'm very excited. I have a little box here that is full of stuff that I don't even know. To be honest with you guys, I didn't even expect this to be coming. I got this in PR. This was gifted to me, so thank you very much, Ecooking. Very excited for this. And that is all that I know is in here. So we're going to unbox this together, guys, test out a few of the products, and we're going to have fun. So keep on watching. You can find Ecooking skincare products at ecooking.com. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description down below as well as their Instagram. And that's where I've been following them now for quite some time. They have beautiful products on their page and everything just looks curated to be efficient and luxurious. I love their packaging for what I've seen online. I'm just really excited to get into this, guys. Let's go ahead and start unboxing, but I kind of wanted to show you this. I didn't unbox anything at all because I like how this was delivered. It kind of reminds me of like a crate from like a farm or someplace that is natural. Again, this company does specify to be a natural and organic company, so I find that to be pretty cool. Just like the straw in there. I don't know. I would expect to get like a carton of eggs delivered like that, but we're getting a skincare, and I'm all for it. So this is what we got, guys. A little bag full of skincare products. I'm so freaking excited. This is adorable. I love how clear this is, by the way. We're going to, and there we go. So we have a little booklet here, which I kind of want to take a look at first just to see what is in this. And I believe they may have sent me the Ecooking Men. So this is actually their specific products that are dedicated for men. Love that. Guys, we all know that I want to promote wellness, health, good skincare, and just hygiene at its ultimate level of possibility for men. For everyone, but for us guys, most importantly, because let's face it, guys, although it's 2020, I feel like there is still a lot of men out there that think being clean and looking good and just taking care of yourself is weird. And that still blows my mind that people still have that mentality. I don't get it, can't relate, but that's why I'm here, guys. Just kind of like break down that wall. So this is a booklet full of a bunch of their products that they have. It looks like there's tons, actually. Hand soaps, facial skincare products, stuff for the neck, body lotions. I'm shook at how many products they actually have lined up. Not just for men. This actually has like their entire catalog, but
yeah.
Let's dig in, guys, and see what our first product is. All right, this is a face cream and 𝗀𝗃𝗃 cream. And 𝗀𝗃𝗃 cream. Oh my gosh. I think that might be in a word that's not English because I don't know what that means. Made in Denmark by House of Cosmetics. All right, House of Cosmetics, work. For all skin types, for use day and or nights. And this is their face cream, guys, like I said a few seconds ago. Loving that the product is actually sealed, and we know that nobody got their nasty little phalanges in there. So let me be bold and just open this up with my knife really quick. I'm just gonna open up a little peephole. Alrighty, and I want to see how this texture is for a face cream. If it wants to come out. Oh. I'm not really getting any scent, which I'm liking, guys. When it comes to a moisturizer face cream, I'm all about keeping it as minimal as possible when it comes to fragrance because I've got sensitive-ish skin, so it kind of irritates me. It has a clean smell. It's very liquidy, and I must say it does disperse quite easily on my hand. So I'm assuming it's probably gonna be the same on my face, perhaps, who knows, but first impression, guys, that is a nice cream. and it does give me a sense of hydration. So even going like on my hand, I'm feeling
hydrated.
Love that. All right, so we got a face cream here, and I'm gonna list all the products on this side of the screen as I review them, so you guys can get more like information, possibly the price will be on there, and you'll get some more details about that. And of course, this video is just more of like unboxing and first impressions type video. If there is something you'd like me to create a dedicated review on, sound off in the comment section down below, and I will do that. Next, we have Rinse Gel, cleansing gel. So this is a facial cleanser, obviously. Face and body cleanser. Now, it says gentle and hydrating. For me personally, guys, I don't really ever like to mix my facial cleansers and my body washes. Again, like I have sensitive-ish skin, so I really don't like to combine them too much. I will give this a go though, give it a shot, see how it works. And I mean, the ingredients are natural and they're organic, so it can't be that abrasive on the face. Whenever I use a facial cleanser that is not compatible with my skin lets me know. And honestly, I turn red, it's really rosy looking, and I'm looking like basically a cherry, not cute. I do, on the other hand, want to see if this has any type of scent to it. Not really fragranted. This says, work into a lather and gently cleanse your face and neck for use morning and evening, suitable for normal or oily skin. Remove with water, obviously. I don't know why it says face and body cleanser, because from what I'm reading on here, it looks like it might just be a facial cleanser. I don't know, this does say natural and raw materials, so loving that. All right, so we got a facial cleanser, guys, and we have 3 more products here. One being Hair and 𝗀𝗵𝘁. Oh my god, these words, guys. This is a 2-in-1 soap, fresh and mild, organic and natural raw ingredients, hair and body wash. There we go, hair and body wash. Some of the words on here, I don't think are English. They're definitely not English. I mean, the ingredients are English, which is beautiful. The description of the product is in English, but there's some words on here that I'm like, I don't know what that is, but I like it, guys. I must say, they are very upfront when it comes to being organic and natural, so I'm living for that. Obviously, I'm not going to try this right now because I'm not in the shower, so cool. We got a body wash going on. And next we have, this is beard and body oil. Yes, Ecooking, you guys, I'm in the market for a new beard oil, and my favorite of all time is called Gibbs. Their beard oil, the cowboy one, to die for. So this being natural, I'm very excited to try it because I'm not too familiar with a lot of natural men's beard oils that aren't too oily, so I'm definitely going to be giving this a go. And organic jojoba, I never could pronounce it, jojoba, and sesame. Very, very nice. You know what, guys? I'm actually going to put this on right now. So I'm loving how, first off, this is a glass jar, very luxurious in my opinion. I love anything that's product-wise in glass. Number 1, it's great to recycle it, and you could possibly use it for other stuff. 2, this has an applicator, so we all know you can kind of like use however much you want, not waste products, and it's just one of those ways to apply products that are very manageable. Best way to describe it. All right, so put on a little bit there. Smells pretty good. And on the hand right away, it does feel a little oily. Obviously, it's an oil. But to me, it's not like an overpowering type of oil. You could tell, oh, got a little bit on the cheek there. Gonna look like I'm wearing some highlights. But yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. And that's how you apply your beard oil. Just basically put a little bit on, massage it into your beard, and there you go. It's not too oily, guys. I actually, when my beard oil, the excess, I just basically put on my hands, my arms, and use it as kind of like a body moisturizer. Why not? Don't waste it. So, we got a beard oil, guys. Loving this. This is a very nice product and smells very nice. And from what I can see, looks pretty good. Happy about that. We got our last product right here, and this is wet wipes. Aloe vera extract and moisturizing wet wipes for the face. I am not a fan of using face wipes at all. Yeah, I don't really like to use face wipes unless I absolutely have to. When I went camping a few weeks ago, I used wipes like to wipe me down throughout the day because I've bug spray, you name it. I was getting nasty. Of course, showered at the end of the day, but my best form of cleaning my face, no matter what, guys, is not a face wipe. Great thing is, I mean, these are organic. I do want to kind of see how the wipes are, and maybe if the cotton is soft and how it is. All right. It is very soft. My only thing when it comes to face wipes I kind of get afraid of is just how abrasive it might be on the face. And like you're tugging your skin, wiping off stuff. Like I don't necessarily like that. I mean guys, if you really need to cleanse your face and there's no other opportunity to just like use a sink or a body of water, obviously use a face wipe. I just wouldn't recommend using this like every day to clean your face because could be a little too much. Try avoiding tugging your face, but again, it seems pretty soft. Natural ingredients on here and stuff that's actually going to help calm and relieve your skin. And if there is any irritation, the aloe vera will definitely help calm it down. But guys, that is pretty much it for this unboxing and little tester tryout of 𝗬𝗏𝗏 products, guys. I hope you didn't think that I was actually cooking on this channel, because cooking is just something I'm not talented in that department at all. Luckily, I'm very, very fortunate that my partner, he's an amazing cook. He's actually from Peru, so like anything he cooks has like a Spanish flair to it. It is amazing, it's spicy, it's delicious, and it's like infused with American, traditions. So I'll tell you what though, 𝗬𝗏𝗏 is definitely a part of the luxury skincare community, guys. Packaging wise, beautiful. The whole aesthetic is just like, I love that. Anything that's kind of like the brown colored and then like the dark here looks old school, looks like something you'd see like in a pharmacy back in like 1912 or whatever, and I love that aesthetic. Of course though, this being an import makes it feel even more luxurious to me. Now the ingredients, that's what this is all about, guys. It doesn't matter packaging or the way that the whole aesthetic is if the ingredients and what the product contains is not beneficial. And although this is like a first impressions video, I really can't give you too much of an in-depth experience of how these are working for me. But what I am gonna say, what is listed on these bottles is amazing. 𝗬𝗏𝗏, guys, I definitely recommend checking them out. Of course, again, I'll list all their information in the description down below. My name is 𝗀𝗘𝗄𝘆. Please come along on this YouTube journey, guys, and follow me, subscribe, hit the notification bell. My Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗘𝗄𝘆, and I would love your company. Until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.